Hi friends and fellow vintage lovers. I just wanted to make a quick announcement. I am going to be joining Jen K and Gina at Vintage Digs tomorrow for their morning sale. It will be at 11 Eastern, 10 Central, 8 a.m. Pacific. Please excuse my dogs, I'm so sorry. I just wanted to give you a preview of some of the items I'm going to be offering. I'm going to talk about them real fast. I don't want to make a long video. I'm going to offer this painting of two lambs. I just thought it was precious. It's good all year round, but it kind of gives me a springy vibe. I'm also going to offer this Ogiri Egg Plate. It can also be hung. It does have a hanger. It's in great shape, except for there's a little bit of blue flaking off of the duck, but that will be reflected in the price. I'm also selling these two Japanese dog figurines. I believe they're Dalmatians, but I'm not 100% sure on that. They both have cute bows on their tails and really long ears, and I just think they're adorable. They're quirky but fun. I'm also going to offer this Japanese bamboo handled bowl or basket. I believe that's a turnip or a radish in the middle. It does have a Japanese signature on the bottom, and I thought that was cute. I mean, perfect for spring. And next to it, I have this Delft looking chair. This is very detailed. Like I said, it's not Delft. It's got the colors of Delft and looks like it, but it's not. But it is actually made in the Netherlands. So it's very, very pretty. This Portuguese Pitcher is also going to be in the sale. It has great detail. I love the graphics on it and the glazing. It's actually, fairly small. You could put flowers in it. That's probably what I would do, but I thought it was just amazing. I actually really do enjoy Portuguese pottery, and I think this is a great example of that. Next to it, I have these two lovebirds. They are made in Taiwan, I believe. Let me make sure. Yes. They're in really good shape. They're very, very pretty and dainty, as you can see. That's my dog Rocky trying to get my attention. Sorry. I'm also going to be offering this Japanese angel. I just thought her face was so cute. She's got chubby cheeks, but she's in great condition, no chips or flaws. There is a little bit of gold that's rubbed off there, but other than that, she's great. I'm also going to offer this gold-toned brooch, another perfect for spring item. There's no maker's mark. I'm not quite sure when it was made, but it kind of screams 70s to me. Could be wrong. That's just my guess. I'm also offering this trinket box. It's a happy birthday box, and it's actually French. It's got beautiful detailing on the outside and on the inside. Again, another cute for spring item, especially if you want to give it to someone who was born, April, May, June time. I'm also going to offer this Turkish perfume bottle. It's not really picking up, but it's gold in like a deep red color. It's in really good shape. I don't think perfume was ever actually put in it. I just thought that was stunning. I'm also offering this Toucan. He's hand carved, and I do believe he's Costa Rican. I could be wrong, but he is signed by the artist. And I love the detailing on him. He's just so cool. I'm going to be selling this Japanese vase as well. I believe this is from the 70s. This is not a very old vase. The crazing is intentional on it, but I just thought the colors were so beautiful, and this butterfly, definitely screams 70s to me. I'm offering this Lego bank. This is a baby bank, as you can see, and he actually has yarn hair, which I thought was adorable. There is a little bit of scuffing right there, but it could be touched up. He's in great shape otherwise, and he still has his Lego stamp on it. I'm also selling this craft piece. I picked this up at a local charity shop, and I just thought it was beautiful. It you know, is cream and red. It's signed by the artist who, you know, it's just someone, I'm assuming, local. But I thought this was perfect for spring as well, you know, a little bud vase. Who doesn't love that? I will also be selling this Japanese squirrel with the acorn. He is a furry squirrel. You know, he's got felt. And the actual fur on his tail is real. He's in great shape. These squirrels are mid-century Japan. And a lot of times you don't find them in this good of shape. So if you like squirrels, he'll be something you might want to add to your collection. I'm also selling these 4 coasters. These are all different birds. And again, perfect for spring or year-round. You know, you don't even have to use them as coasters. You could use them in decorating if you wanted to. You know, leave them out all the time. That's probably what I would do. I also have this glass candle holder, and it's kind of hard to see, but it actually has a lot of color in it, and it's actually very striking in person. And as you can see, it's a shell design. The company that made it is Le Méditerranée. It's not Mediterranean, so I'm assuming it's French because of the le, but I could be wrong. I'm also going to sell this beautiful Tonala quail. I believe it's a quail. It's obviously a bird. The detailing in this piece is just amazing. He has flowers here on his chest, a lot of color. But I personally just love this part back here. I think it's just so striking. He is signed. Let me find it for you. Here we go. You know, the artist is Nightsea, and it's, you know, signed Mexico. There is a little jingling in here, and it's not because anything is broken off. It's in perfect condition. It's just part of the firing process, I believe. There's a little bit of ceramic in here, just to let you know. I'm also selling this Homeco trinket box with the pixie and the mushroom. It's in great shape. The lid, you know, you kind of have to move around a little bit to get it to fit right, but other than that, he's in perfect condition. I will also be selling this necklace. I don't know if it's vintage. It might not be, but it definitely kind of screams 1960s, 70s to me. I love the gold tone and the jewels on it, and it is adjustable, so it should fit anyone. I'm also selling a lot of small cookbooks. The first one is the Wonderland of Homemade Jams and Jellies, and it's inspired by Alice in Wonderland. And this is from 1974. The other 2, Cordial Entertaining and the Treasury of Home Baking, are not dated. I've gone through them a few times trying to find a date, but to me they're late 50s, early 60s probably. This little droopy-eyed dog is a planter, and he will also be up for sale. He's in excellent shape, no chips or cracks. I have seen this dog before. I actually have one in a brown tone. I have never seen him with the pink and blue. And I mean, that face. Come on. I will also be selling this swan. I believe it's from the 80s, just by the design and the coloring. It's also a planter, but it has not ever been used. You know, it looks brand new. It definitely has, you know, a spring vibe to it with the colors. He's just a really pretty planter. These 2 cats are made in Japan, and they're marked Japan. I'm selling them as a pair. They both have flower detailing on them, and they're in excellent shape. I don't see any chips or cracks on either of those 2 kitties. I'm also going to sell this metal red Roadrunner. I'm not sure if you have Roadrunners in your state, but we do here in Texas. And I'm not sure what metal he is, to be honest. I don't think he's brass. He's not too heavy. He's probably plated with something, but his base is wooden, and I just thought he was a cool piece, especially if you're into boho or, you know, primitive art. I'm also selling this spaniel dog. He is in excellent condition, no chips or anything. His glazing is perfect, and he is made in Brazil. I think that he is just absolutely stunning. I've seen a few pieces, ceramic pieces from Brazil, and I've always been impressed. But he's in great condition. I have two angels here that I'm selling. These are from Portugal, and they're tiny candle holders. You'd have to get like those mini tapers if you wanted to put candles in them. But I picked them up a while ago, and I think they're absolutely adorable. So cute. They do have a marking on the bottom. I have some that were signed by the artist. This one was not, but it tells you that it is Portuguese. I'm also selling this tin. I'm not honestly sure how old it is, but it does have amazing graphics on it. There was no date on it, but I just thought it was too cool not to get. Tetley's tea is very good, but there you go with that. I'm also selling this Lego baby bank. As you can see, he's got an adorable face and he has yarn for hair. He does have a little scruffing right here, which could easily be fixed. He's a bank, as I said, and there's the Lego marking. He's in great shape, other than the little scuff, but even with it, I think it's hard to find them in such good shape. Let's see, I think this is my final piece. This piece is from the 70s, I believe. It is made in Japan, and I just thought it was beautiful. It has so much detailing. It has, you know, intentional crazing, but the flowers definitely make the piece, as well as the butterfly. I just thought that was perfect for spring. But if any of you are interested, please join our sale tomorrow. And I'm so excited to be doing a sale. I cannot tell you how excited I am. There are no words for it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, and you know that comments do help the algorithm, so please, if you have anything to say, let me know. I'm not sure if I actually mentioned these. I forgot about them. These are 2 salt and peppers from Vegas. And I picked them up just because of the unicorn. I just thought they were cool, mystical. So there are those. I have not been able to date them. I believe they're probably 80s or 90s. Okay, everybody. I hope everyone has a good weekend, and thanks again for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the morning. Thanks. Bye-bye.